Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We have good news for international student wanting to come and study in the UK from September intake. There are now increased chances for international students to move to the UK from September 2024, such as increased chances of admission, increased PSDU time, and other benefits. Therefore, in today's video, we will tell you all the new changes that are good news to international students wishing to study in the UK for September intake. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to become part of our family and to receive notification when we publish new updates. The very first good news is that international students have increased chances of admission in March and September intakes. The UK government had stated that they will need more qualified international students in their biggest intake, which is September intake 2024. Hence, more openings are there for those who will apply. The September intake is the primary intake, meaning most universities offer their biggest range of programs at this time. This increases the likelihood of finding a program that matches your interests, and with more options, you can potentially find programs with slightly lower acceptance rates or less stringent requirements. Hence, this increases your chance of getting admitted to a UK university. Secondly, the UK government is also considering increasing the PSDU time for all student visas from 2 to 3 years. They said they are committed to attracting the best and brightest international students to the UK, and the PSW visa is an important part for them. However, many people have called the attention of UK government to increase the PSW time from 2 or 3 years to 4 years or more, because most students are usually not able to find jobs within this time period. So it's possible that the UK government will review the PSDU visa like it was stated in the new rules, and positive feedback will be given. Fingers crossed. Thirdly, many universities allocate the bulk of their scholarship and financial aid resources to the September intake. This is because it coincides with the start of the academic year and aligns with budgeting cycles, so you may have better access to financial support to cover your study expenses, making the overall program more feasible. Also, while the September intake attracts more applicants, it's not always the most competitive. The sheer number of programs offered can distribute applications across more options, potentially reducing competition in your specific field. Remember, the quality of your application still plays a major role in securing admission. Fourthly, the September intake aligns with the traditional academic year in many countries, including high school graduation schedules. This makes it a seamless transition for many international students, simplifying planning and logistics. The September intake is the largest intake of the year in the UK, so students have ample time to prepare their applications and get their finances in order. This is especially helpful for students who are applying from other countries with different academic systems, or who needs to take additional English language test. In the fifth place, there are increased employability chances for students graduating from UK universities in the September intake compared to other options. This is because UK universities hold a globally recognized reputation for academic excellence, which can be attractive to employers. Many UK companies, particularly large ones, have well-established graduate recruitment schemes targeting UK universities, offering structured entry points for fresh graduates, and many UK universities integrate work placements or internships into their programs, giving students valuable real-world experience and potentially leading to job offers. Next, some universities offer lower tuition fees for international students coming in the September intake. This is a big chance to cut expenses and get the best education from a UK university. There are many other advantages for international students who want to study in the UK in the September intake. We've just mentioned some of them. Application deadlines for September intakes usually vary from university to university, but most deadlines are typically from June 30th to September 28th for UK's applications. Note that only FEE universities accept applications till this date. We hope this information was very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to always be notified when we publish new updates. Have a great day!